Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding text to different sections of your video on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening TikTok and recording your video like normal. Once on the editing screen, tap on the AA button to add your text. Write the text you wish to add and edit it as you like. Change the color, font, etc. and then tap the tick when you are happy with your text. Now tap on the text. Then select Set Duration from the menu that appears. You can now drag the edges of the clip to where you would like the text to appear in your video. You can tap play to preview the placement of your text. When you are happy with the placement of your text, tap on the tick in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the AA button again to add the other text that you would like to add. You can edit it as you like and then tap it like before to bring up the menu. Tap Set Duration. Now drag the edges of the text clip to where you would like them to appear on your video, and then tap the tick. As you can see, my two texts now appear at different times in the video. You can repeat this many more times to add more text. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.